Okay, we'll move to your forecast again with meteorologist Robert Suhr with us tonight. Robert, we do have several impact days coming up. So what does this mean for people?
Well, it means that they should be prepared for the chances for showers and thunderstorms at any point. Now, we thought initially that tonight it could be a little bit on the bumpy side. Now that looks like it may not be the case. Again, these are very chaotic type. It's a very chaotic type pattern that we're in, and the models really struggle with this type of convection. So it looks like we may actually escape tonight without the showers and thunderstorms. We'll see. Today in Fayetteville, we got up to 88 degrees. It actually looks like behind us, a couple of people are still shooting off a couple of leftover fireworks in Fayetteville. Things are quiet in Fort Smith along Interstate 540, where we got up to 93 degrees, right at average in both Fayetteville as well as Fort Smith today. 105 though in 2012. You can see everything's quiet in our area. These are false returns from the Tulsa radar. We have a thunderstorm complex well across southwest Oklahoma. That will miss us. But we're watching a front that could approach the area in the overnight hours, and that would set off showers and thunderstorms. There is that front right now, but notice we don't have any severe thunderstorm watches, anything like that, as that front makes its approach toward us. So we'll have to see how the rest of the evening goes. There's a live look at Arvest Ballpark in Springdale. Temperatures right now in northwest Arkansas, we're basically in the 70s. Meanwhile, Poto, sunset is wrapping up, and across the River Valley, lower 80s are our temperatures at this hour. This is new model information we're showing you. You can see as we go through the rest of the night, it is saying we should be mostly quiet. It's not until after sunrise tomorrow now that the models are saying, here comes that complex of storms finally that could pivot its way through our area, but it most likely will be weakening as it does so. And this particular run is saying, well, there could be higher impacts this time for the River Valley than in northwest Arkansas, but it gets out of here by Thursday evening, and then we turn our attention to Friday, where we could do it all over again with another complex of showers and thunderstorms. Latest update from the SPC tonight has eliminated almost all of our area from even a marginal risk and scaled that back to basically eastern Oklahoma. And for tomorrow, still the area is in the marginal risk, but even that is an isolated severe thunderstorm. But all of these storm complexes could bring us quite a bit of rainfall. Several inches could fall by the time we get to the weekend, which is why we're also worried about a flash flood risk, because we could also get excessive rainfall, especially Friday. That's rainfall that is heavy enough to exceed your area's flash flood guidance. 60s and 70s tonight for our lows. Highs tomorrow are highly dependent on what happens in the morning. I have a feeling that these numbers are a little bit higher than what we will be tomorrow, because we'll have a lot of stubborn cloud cover. But you can see rain and storm chances over the next couple of days across northwest Arkansas, at least through the weekend, with temperatures in the 80s. As we get into next week, things finally quiet down and we start to warm back up. River Valley, pretty much the same thing. Hit or miss showers and storms almost any time through the weekend, and then we have above average temperatures back for next week. We have Brandon Evans back for sports on the other side of these messages.